it's Angelica. Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I want to share with you guys what it is that I like to make on rainy, windy, cold days like the one we had today. It was just pouring all day, you guys. All I wanted to do was sit down at home and relax and make a nice, warm, comforting meal for us to have. And what I like to make on these days, you guys, is soups, and one of my favorites, it's Sopa de Fideo with potatoes. It's warm, comforting, filling, and really fast to make. So if you guys want to know how it is that I make this, stay tuned. Alright, you guys, so here are the ingredients that I like to use to make my soup. I use some canola oil to fry the fideo, and of course you need the fideo. You need some I like to use vegetable broth. I also like to use chicken bouillon. You're gonna need a can of tomato sauce and 2 white potatoes. Okay, so here I have a pot, and I already added about a tablespoon of oil to it. I like to go ahead and mix the pot around so that the oil can coat the bottom of the pot. And I'm gonna go ahead and add some fideos so they can brown up and give our soup even more flavor. Alright guys, once our fideos have browned, we're gonna go ahead and add the tomato sauce. And we're also gonna add 2 cups of the vegetable broth. And we're also gonna add one of these spoonfuls or 2 spoonfuls of the chicken bouillon. Alright, let's go ahead and mix this so all the flavors can get incorporated. Yummy, yummy, yummy. And we're gonna go ahead and let this boil. Once it starts, simmer. Once it starts to simmer, we're gonna go ahead and add our potatoes. Alright you guys, so as you can see, our soup is beginning to simmer, so I'm gonna go ahead and add the potatoes. Go ahead and stir it. Alright guys, so this is when I like to cover it, let it boil so our potatoes can cook. Once it boils, you guys, that's when I taste it again to see how the flavor is, and if I like it, I leave it alone, and if I don't like it, I go ahead and add some more chicken bouillon to it. So our soup has been cooking for about 20 minutes and our potatoes are soft and ready. So I'm just gonna go ahead and try the broth really quick and see how it is, if it needs any more chicken bouillon or if it's good as it is. So let's try it. Oh my gosh, super good. Alright guys, so now you just turn it off, cover it so it stays nice and warm. Okay you guys, here it is. Our soup is ready to be devoured and enjoyed by hungry people. What I like to do, you guys, is add some sour cream to it and mix it in, and it's super good. My husband likes to add lime juice and tapatio to it, and it's also really good like that. Plain is also really good. So however it is that you guys want to enjoy this soup, trust me, you're gonna love it. Thanks for watching you guys. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and I'll see you in our next video. Bye!